I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
Hey guys, it's On the Ground. It was a lot of work. I really busted my ass to get this far just to be waiting on an engine. Anyway, the suspension installation was really fast and easy using the Maximum Motorsports spring installation tool. Check this out and then we'll get back to the details of the car. Got the Maximum Motorsports spring tool here. Let's see how this goes. So after torquing the K-member, I hung the lower control arms. Then I installed the caster camber plates and shocks. And then put the springs in, and it was really fast. Then just started throwing parts at it. It was going so fast I just couldn't stop. I'm using the Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates with the Maker's Garage scuff plates underneath. I like the look of that. For now, I've got me a Rock Auto master cylinder just so it would look clean. It's remanned. The brake lines are LMR, the plastic tube. I've got them tucked. They run really neatly back there. The steering shaft, Maximum Motorsports. I freaking love it. But there's the lines and the wiring. Here's the other side. So we'll be running the stock rack. It's a driver, and that paint is cast. It's a heat paint by Goodson, and wasn't even trying to match, but it matched great.
Into your hands, a plan your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they gon' let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I'm off in these fucking crowds. We're all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it.
I'm so happy it's finally on the ground after 8 freaking months. Still waiting on an engine. Who knows how long that's gonna be.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed?